I'm making my pastrami meatballs to serve on rye toasts with mustard, and they're gonna be great bites for a crowd. I'm using a cup of breadcrumbs to bind the mixture together. And now I'll grab some eggs, and I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of water to this. And the breadcrumbs will soak up this mixture and create almost like a glue that will hold the meatballs together. I'm just stirring this to combine. And now I'm gonna grab all of my spices. You'll be amazed at how much this spice blend gives it that authentic deli pastrami flavor. 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of mustard powder, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Next, I'll add some coriander, which is a little bit floral. A 1/4 teaspoon is enough. Cinnamon, another 1/4 teaspoon, a pinch of cloves, 1/8 of a teaspoon of allspice, a 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper. We'll add a touch of heat, some ground black pepper. The magic of pastrami is that it's smoked, but I'm not gonna smoke these meatballs for hours. So I am using liquid smoke, which is a really strong smoky flavor, and a little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna add some chopped fresh parsley. Okay, next I'll add my onions and garlic. They're looking and smelling great. And I cook them just to help soften them and bring out their flavors. It's easiest just to get in there with your hands to mix this all up. And I'm using a leaner ground beef here. And now I'll mix it all up with my hands. And I want to mix these to combine evenly, but I don't want to overmix, otherwise it could get too tough. I have 2 sheet pans here covered in foil and grease so that they don't stick. And now I'm gonna roll balls out of my meat mixture. I want them to be bite-sized, so about the size of ping pong balls. They'll lose a little bit of size in the oven, but just like this is perfect. They are looking so cute. I'm gonna bake these at 450 for 20 minutes until they're golden brown. To assemble my bites, I've got some rye toasts here, heavy on the caraway. And I'll add a drizzle of mustard, top it with a meatball, and a pickle slice, and a toothpick to hold it all together. Oh, for cute. The meatball, the crunchy pickle, the tangy mustard, and that toasty rye underneath is going to be delicious.